And in this video we're going to demonstrate how to find the area of this composite shape. You can see that our shape is made up of a triangle and a rectangle, and so we'll have to find the area of each of those two and add the two areas up. And so finding the area of a rectangle is rather easy. We remember our formula for that, so we'll do that part first. So for the rectangle, the area of the rectangle, we have our area is equal to our length times our width, and the length of this rectangle is from E to C, or root 7 meters plus root 7 meters. And the width is root 7 meters. So now we just have to simplify this. Well, if I have 1 root 7 plus 1 root 7, then I'm going to have 2 root 7 meters, and I'll be multiplying that by root 7 meters. Now when I multiply radicals, and this is just a number multiplied by radical, so I'm going to consider actually these two, the root 7 times the root 7 first, and then I'll multiply by 2. So the root of 7 times the root of 7 is 7, so I'll have 2 times 7, and the area of my rectangle is 14 meters squared. So for the rectangle it was rather easy. For the triangle, however, I have to determine the height of the triangle, and I've labeled that S1 for side 1, and I have to find the height so that I can use it in the formula for the area of a triangle, which is the area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Now, I know the base is root 7, and the height is S, so I know that I'm going to have root 7 times S divided by 2 is my area. I just have to figure out what value I'm going to put in place for S. And so off to the side here, I'll find S using Pythagorean theorem. So to find S, I'll use C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Now C is the hypotenuse, 9, so we have 9 squared equals A, we'll let A be our base, so root 7 squared plus S squared. Then we just simplify. 9 squared is 81. The root of 7 times the root of 7 is 7. And we add S squared. Subtracting 7 from both sides gets me 74 equals S squared. And then now to find S, to get S alone, I take the square root of both sides. And so I'm left with the root of 74 is equal to S. So I can substitute that value of S now into my equation. So I'll have the area is equal to the root of 7 times the root of 74 over 2. And like we said before, the sum of these two areas is going to be the area of the entire shape. So the area in total is equal to 14 plus root 7 times root 74 over 2. And a statement to finish this off. And let's not forget that our units are meters, so our unit of area is going to be 2-dimensional meters, or meters squared. And that's how we find the area of a complicated composite figure exactly.